Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete Pokemon in Pokemon Go. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Pokemon Go application to get started. From your main homepage of Pokemon Go, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom. Tap on Pokemon from the option. All of the Pokemons that you've catched will be displayed on the screen. If you want to get rid of a Pokemon or delete a Pokemon, go ahead and open up a Pokemon that you'd like to delete. Now, once you open up this Pokemon's information, tap on the menu button at the bottom right. From the options, tap on Transfer. You can easily transfer this particular Pokemon to Professor, so tap on Yes in order to transfer the Pokemon, and that way you'll be able to delete a Pokemon from your Pokemon Go account. That is how you'll be able to delete or get rid of a Pokemon on Pokemon Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.